Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change in your Aadhar card online. First, navigate to the official UID self-service update portal. You will need your Aadhar number and the registered mobile number to log in. Make sure your mobile number is updated, as an OTP will be sent for verification. This is the crucial first step to begin your application process. Once logged in, you will see various update options. Select the Name field to initiate your change. Carefully enter your desired new name exactly as it appears on your supporting documents. Double-check for any spelling errors before proceeding, as accuracy is paramount for a successful update. This ensures your request aligns with official records. Next, you must upload a clear, legible scan of a valid proof of identity document. Acceptable documents include your passport, driving license, or voter ID. After uploading, proceed to the payment section. A small fee, usually 50 rupees, is required for the update service. Complete the payment using available online methods to finalize this stage. After successful submission and payment, you will receive an update request number, or EARN. It is essential to save this number. You can use your URN on the UID portal to track the real-time status of your name change application. Most updates are processed within a period of 90 days, after which your updated Aadhar card will be generated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.